In a world filled with noise and constant chatter, there was a moment that stood out from the chaos, a moment of Zen silence. It emerged unexpectedly, like a pearl hidden beneath turbulent waves, and brought with it a profound sense of peace and serenity. Amidst the clamor of bustling streets, a cacophony of voices, and the relentless hum of technology, this moment of silence was a precious gift. It was as if time suspended itself, allowing space for reflection and deep listening. In the midst of this tranquil stillness, people found themselves drawn to its embrace. They paused in their hurried footsteps and set aside their distractions, captivated by the quietude that enveloped them. Within this sacred pause, they discovered the immense power that lay dormant in silence. As they settled into the gentle embrace of the Zen silence, their racing thoughts gradually subsided, like ripples dissipating on a tranquil pond. They became aware of the incessant chatter of their own minds, the constant stream of worries, judgments, and distractions that had held them captive for so long. In this moment of silence, they realized the value of stillness, the profound significance of creating space for inner quietude. It was in this absence of noise that they could finally hear the whispers of their own souls, the subtle guidance that had been drowned out by the external clamor. In the depths of this silence, they discovered a vast reservoir of wisdom that resided within. It was a wellspring of knowledge, untainted by the chaos of the outside world, a wellspring that had always been there, patiently waiting to be tapped into. As they listened intently to the whispers of their souls, they felt a deep sense of connection, a connection to their true essence, to the universal wisdom that flows through all living beings. In this connection, they found solace, guidance, and a renewed sense of purpose. The Zen silence became a refuge, a sanctuary they could return to whenever the noise of the world became overwhelming. It became a sacred space where they could reconnect with themselves, restore their inner balance, and access the wellspring of wisdom that dwelled within. As they integrated the practice of embracing silence into their lives, they realized that the power of the Zen silence extended far beyond their individual existence. It had the potential to ripple outward, touching the lives of others and inspiring a collective shift towards inner stillness and contemplation. They shared their experiences with others, inviting them to explore the transformative power of silence. They encouraged moments of pause, moments of deep listening, and moments of quietude amidst the clamor of everyday life. In the presence of the Zen silence, people began to reconnect with themselves and with one another. They discovered that in the absence of noise, true communication could flourish, a communication that transcended words and relied on deep understanding and empathy. The Zen silence reminded them that amidst the noise and chaos, they held the key to cultivating inner peace and serenity. It taught them to embrace silence as a sacred practice, a gateway to their own inner sanctuary, where profound wisdom awaited their discovery. And so, they journeyed forward, carrying the spirit of the Zen silence within their hearts. They became beacons of stillness amidst the noise, guiding others towards the transformative power of silence and the profound connection that emerges in its wake. May we all find our own moments of Zen silence, allowing the respite and wisdom it brings to permeate our lives. May we learn to listen deeply, to embrace stillness, and to honor the quietude that nourishes our souls. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe. The Success Seeds.